How to set up a Thrive Architect template. Hi, I'm Ryan Huff. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up a template using Thrive Architect. This is how I built ClickyWebsites.com. But before I get into it, I wanted to take a step back and explain why I'm making this video. Firstly, this video is a part of a series of videos where I show you exactly how to make a Clicky website with WordPress. I've laid out my entire process in easy to follow mind map with process notes and the Clicky website templates. If you'd like a free copy, just head on over to my website by clicking the link that will appear. So in this guide I'm going to show you how to set up your Thrive Architect template. The first thing you want to do is go to Pages and Add New. You're going to enter a title. You're going to save as draft. So I entered Home, and then you're going to click on Edit with Thrive Architect. You're going to click on Page Setup at the bottom. You're going to choose a landing page template. Then you're going to select this blank. And then you're going to click on Blank Page version 2 and then choose Template. Now you want to drag these background sections into this blank template. So click on the background section and then click on Stretch to fit screen width. Then you can drag this headline into this background section. So that's now within the background section. And then you can copy all these headlines and change them to H2, H3. And paragraph text. Then you want to click on Page Setup again and Landing Page Settings, and then on the drop down under Landing Page Settings, and then on the landing page fonts, and you can click on Paragraph. Then on the font face you can click on that little button and you can click on the drop down, and then in this particular instance I'm choosing a Google font. So I quite like Oswald and Roboto, but you have a whole bunch of choices here. And I eventually chose Open Sans and Apply. And then you go into heading 1 and you can choose Oswald and apply to all headings, and you can change the font size by dragging this. And once you've chosen all your different fonts, you can just click on Save. Then you want to click on Background Style and the first option, which is Add a Layer. Now for my Clicky Websites branding, I've chosen a blue and a red, and so those are the two colors that I need to copy and paste within here. So first thing I've done is copied in the blue, and then I want to click on this little plus button so that that's an option, and then I want to click on Apply. So now I'm going to this background section over here, and once again I'm going to add a layer, and now I'm going to copy the red. So there's the red, and once again I want to click on the plus button and apply. So now I've got my blue and my red. Next thing, I want to drag some columns into my basically what's going to be my header, and I want this 2-column layout. So I click on Select Column Layout and then 2 columns, which puts 2 columns into my background section there. Then I can drag an image into the left-hand side, and I'm going to select a file, and I'm going to choose my logo, give it a title and alt text, and then insert it into the post. So that's my Clicky Websites logo. I'm going to change the background because obviously I've got blue here and it's not showing. So I'm going to make it a nice gray, and then once again I'm going to add that color to my palette. So you can see my logos now looking good. So I've got my 3 colors that I've used so far. And I'm now going to click on text options, and I'm going to drag the font size bigger. So I'm going to drag it to 48, so I've got a big heading. And then I'm going to go through and change my H2 and my H3 and an H4. So on this page, you can click on this little button to duplicate your headings. So that's it duplicated. So I'm going to copy an H4 into my other column. And I think I'm going to put in here free Clicky web design course signer. Then you can also put borders. So I'm going to put a bottom blue border in here at 4 pixels. And then you click on the back button. And within Thrive Architect pops up reminders for you to save your work. So that you do just at the bottom here, you click save. So the next thing I want to do is to put a menu in. So I've gone to Appearance and Menus and create a new menu. I'm going to call it Main Menu and Create Menu. And then I'm going to add a whole bunch of pages. Add to Menu. And then you can drag these around and move the order. And then once you're happy with that, you can just click on the Save Menu button. So I'm going to go back to Pages, All Pages, my home page, and I'm going to go once again Edit with Thrive Architect. Now I'm going to drag this custom menu into this second background section. So there it is, there's my custom menu, and now I can edit this menu. I can edit all the colors. So I can edit the main color. I'm going to choose a blue and apply. And then for the advanced, I can change all the hover colors as well. And then under typography, I can change the font face. So I'm going to click on the drop down, and I'm going to click on Google Fonts, and I'm going to choose Oswald and apply. So I'm going to click on that advanced drop down, and I'm going to make the font size a bit bigger for my menu item. And once I'm happy with that, I'll click on the Save button. So pretty much I've gone through and created my template. Now I'm going to click on this page options, and I'm going to save my landing page. And I'm going to call it the Clicky homepage template. I'm going to save my template there. And I'm going to go to Appearance and Customize. And then I'm going to go to Homepage Settings. Then I'm going to choose Static Page. Homepage, I'm going to click on this drop down, and I'm going to choose Home. And that's then going to show my new template that I've just created, and then I'm going to click on Publish. And then if I go to Clicky Websites, I can now see my template that I've built. So if I go to Pages, All Pages, and About Us, and then Edit with Thrive Architect, I've got this standard WordPress page. If I click on the page setup, and I go to choose landing page template, and then save landing pages, and then Clicky Websites homepage, and I choose that template, I now have this template that I can then just change for my About Us page. And that's everything within this tutorial on how to set up a Thrive Architect template. Remember, if you want to get a copy of my free mind map, process notes, and the Clicky website templates, then just head on over to my website to download it. There's a lot of back-end work and plugins that go into setting up a Clicky website. I do offer a paid service to do everything for you. that's of interest, you can email me at ryan@clickywebsites.com or visit my website. I regularly add new videos to my channel, so make sure you subscribe if you want to get them as soon as possible. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and let me know in the comments what other videos you'd like me to make.